In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android battery draining fast. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, the most effective way to extend your phone's runtime is by using the integrated power saving mode. This feature intelligently limits background data and performance to ensure your device stays powered on for as long as possible. So what you can do is the quick settings method. Swipe down on the top right of your screen and you're going to see a lot of different options. Look for an icon that says power saving, which is in my second row. Go ahead and turn that on, and it says dark mode is turned on to save power. So that's how you can just turn it on, and it's going to decrease your screen brightness, limit your CPU speed to 70%, and also pause background syncing to save energy as well. What you can also do is press the wheel cog icon on the top right. It's going to bring you to your settings. From here, go ahead and scroll down to battery. Then go over and find power saving and turn it on over there as well. And then I can also press the text, and I can also change a lot of things over here too, where I can basically just customize what power saving does. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.